How would you like to get your hands on 4 tickets to an upcoming Daytona 500 race? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Geico donated 4 grandstand tickets to the Collision Repair Education Foundation, and they partnered with the Body Shop Business Magazine, and they're going to auction these tickets off. This is for a race coming up on February 14th, but you only have until February 10th to bid on this auction. All you have to do is go to their Instagram page, and I'll put a link down below and in the comments, and like their page, and then also place your bid on it. And there's more information whenever you click on that page about what to do. But yeah, just like their page and put the bid amount. And currently, the last time I looked, it was at $30. That's really cheap. That's not even $10 a ticket. So yeah, go this link below. Like the page, and it's also for a great cause. You're going to be supporting the collision repair industry. The Collision Repair Education Foundation, you know, they really do a good job of helping out the high schools and the colleges for the collision repair. We have got a ton of donations through the years, and you'll be helping support that. Thanks for watching and for supporting the collision repair industry. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.